If your computer is running slow or you just want to free up some space, clearing out cache and junk files can make a big difference. Today I'm going to show you how to do this on both Windows 10 and Windows 11 in a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, let's start with a disk cleanup, a built-in tool that helps to remove temporary files and cache. Press the Windows key and type disk cleanup, then select it from the search results. If you're prompted to choose the drive you want to clean, usually the C drive, and click OK. Disk cleanup will calculate how much space you can free up. Once it's done, you can see a list of file types you can delete. Check the boxes next to temporary files, system cache files, recycle bin, and any other categories you want to delete or clean. For deeper clean, click up clean up system files. This will add additional options such as previous Windows installation. And select the boxes for these if you want to clear them as well, and then click OK. Click delete files to confirm and start the cleanup process. It might take a few seconds depending on how much junk there it is. Now let's clean up cache files using Storage Sense. Open Settings by pressing Windows I, then go to System and click on Storage. Under Storage, you will see Storage Sense. Click on it and turn it on if it's not already enabled. You can configure it run automatically or manually. For more control, go back to storage setting and click on temporary files. Here you can manually select what you want to delete, such as temporary files, thumbnails, and more. After selecting, click remove files to start the cleanup. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll have cleared out cache and junk files from your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC, helping it run smoother and freeing up value disks. If you have found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.